Welcome to ACT Notes Tutorials. My name is Mary, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on what a broad agency announcement is, or what I call a BAA. What is a broad agency announcement? A broad agency announcement is a notice from the government that requests scientific or research development proposals from private firms concerning certain areas of interest to the government. A BAA doesn't provide the standard statement of work as a normal request for proposal would, but rather details a problem statement and challenges and solicited an innovative solution. The proposals submitted by the private firms may lead to contracts. What is the purpose of a broad agency announcement? The purpose of a BAA is to conduct basic and applied research in the early planning stages of a potential program. The research is intended to give the government a better understanding of the technical challenges that a future program may face and to plan accordingly. The main broad agency announcement regulation is Federal Acquisition Regulation (FAR) 35.016 titled Broad Agency Announcement. FAR 35.016 details the procedures for the acquisition of basic and applied research, and that is not related to the development of a specific system or hardware procurement. A BAA may be used by agencies to fulfill their requirements for scientific study and experimentation directed toward advancing the state-of-the-art or increasing knowledge or understanding rather than focusing on a specific system or hardware solution. The BAA technique shall only be used when meaningful proposals with varying technical, scientific approaches can be reasonably anticipated. What content goes into a broad agency announcements? A BAA content should include any supporting documentation that is deemed necessary for contractors to fully understand the needs of the government. The BAA should also describe the agency's research interest, either for an individual program requirement or for broadly defined areas of interest covering the full range of the agency's requirements. Describe the criteria for selecting the proposals, their relative importance, and the method of evaluation. Specify the period of time during which proposals submitted in response to the BAA will be accepted, and contain instructions for the preparation and submission of proposals. Broad agency announcements are published on the sam.gov website. Proposals may be submitted by any non-governmental entity, including commercial firms, institutions of higher education with degree-granting programs in science or engineering, universities, or by consortia. Broad agency announcement evaluation. Proposals received as a result of the BAA shall be evaluated in accordance with evaluation criteria specified therein through a peer or scientific review process. Written evaluation reports on individual proposals will be necessary, but proposals need not be evaluated against each other since they are not submitted in accordance with a common work statement. Broad agency announcement selection. The primary basis for selecting proposals for acceptance shall be technical, importance to agency programs, and fund availability. Cost realism and reasonableness shall also be considered to the extent appropriate. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the broad agency announcement. For more information, please visit the webpage. Congratulations on finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT Notes.